Who's behind the curtain? Oop. Hello. November 14th, 2009. You're looking out the window. What? What are you doing? You're 9 months old and you like looking out the window. You get so excited. Are you stuck? Are you stuck? Where's James? Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Where are you? Mommy can't see you. James! Where are you? Hello? James? What are you doing? What? What are you doing?
What are you doing, James?
I think you're silly. James, can you say Dada? Dada. Dada. Say Dada. Woo! Did you? What are you doing? Oh, I think you're silly. What? Can you wave bye-bye to Mommy? Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Mommy. Bye-bye. Bye. Hello? James, you gonna wave bye-bye to Mommy? Okay. Love you.